So here is the TV connected to HDMI port for Xbox. You see there is no signal here, and here is the Xbox which is switched on, and there it is. So that's what it says, no signal. But if I try to select the device, it shows that it detects HDMI connected there for Xbox, and it doesn't work. But if I just go to the TV or cable, then that will work. So that's what the issue is. So, and this is erratic, it happens sometimes, it fixes itself on its own sometimes, so that needs to be fixed.